Yes, people. So them up on the site. Uh, Install some steel. As you can see. Ooh, they are tired and hot. So we have some fish on the grill over there, so. Yeah, on the side, yeah. That I go on. So yeah. What? So yes. Column I go up. We don't have money for do no L column, but them column are still column. You understand? Mat no I go in a hole. Yeah, right there's a room at top. The room wall at top right here, so. How Jesus have look mercy upon we, not even a breeze and blow. Man, me make a bun me. Come on, you can't answer enough work, no phone pan the work, you know. That we are the yes guys, work. Foundation I can't. Eh. They're not. Good quality sun gone in. Ring like the funny. Put him in. So yes guys, so we are on the site. So today we install the steel as you can see, and we are cast them up. We are cast up the foundation. So yes, man the pan site, work a go down. It's Herlene and Boo. Foundation are going with a bag of things, so we are try cast them up so before the rain, as you can see, the place kind of really cast. I know what time out there is now? Now is 4 o'clock now, almost 4 o'clock, and we are out here. So maybe this will go take, maybe night will come down, not sure. A manpower and stuff. So yeah. So 2 room and a bathroom. 14 by 14 room, and the bathroom is what? 5 by some, I'm not sure. So we are asking guys, anybody want to come on board and donate, feel free to come on board and donate. And because we want some more steel, we want some more cement and stuff like that. We want some, we now go on the column them make tall already, so maybe I go just want one length. Maybe I go want just one more 3 steel for the column and the back part and stuff like that. And we're gonna need some steel to take off the bathroom walling, because the bathroom wall now come off of the floor. And we're gonna just, when we cast up the floor, we're gonna just install the partition wall. What we want to do, we want to block up the whole thing round, and then we just cast it and then install the steel then for the bathroom, and then just take off the bathroom walls, the 2 walls for the bathroom and stuff like that. So we're now gonna dig the bathroom as deep as the foundation. Understand? So feel free to come on board, each one help one. Person may be saying that nothing is is going on, but something is going on. We're just putting things to place. And guys, as we go along, things change and plans change because my main aim was to give them a bathroom facility, but due to a sponsor came on board at last minute and we have to reschedule our plan and our charity event. It was not fully successful, but we give God thanks and honor and glory for what we have made. You understand? Although we spend the money from our pocket and we did not make it back, but whatsoever we make, it is going towards the foundation. So we don't know, maybe couple months from now we can do another fundraising event, maybe not a fish fry because fish are very expensive. I realize that person most likely go out for the chicken, not fish. I understand because today we roast the last set of fish then we did have leave from the event. So this is what's going on. Yes guys, so hopefully this finish cast tonight and then hopefully by Thursday or Friday we can run out them black here. Cause we have good amounts of black here. What 300 over there, so this is 300, that's 6 and 100 and this. So we have about 700 and hot blocks. It's gonna need some more blocks. We're going about maybe 300 more blocks to complete the project. 300 more blocks. We're going to need a ton of steel. So anybody can send $5. We're going to need some cement. We're going to need about 50 bags of cement. For carry it up to the belting. We need 50 bags of cement. And 1 ton of steel for the top because remember it's 2 room and a bathroom. 1 ton of steel and what else? We're gonna need 1 length of 3/8 steel. We're gonna need some binding wire. We're gonna need maybe 1 kite go deck, so we're gonna maybe 110 pound of binding wire. But that tall man though. And so guys, if you can send $10, $12, whatever you can send to put to this project.
$1 good enough.
Anything.
$1 for a million people is $1 million.
Let me give them away. Chunks, huh? So yes, this is it. So they want some boilers in there. So, yes, my peep, this is it. This is the biggest part. The biggest part and we are overcoming it. Hey, put money in my pocket. So yes, we are doing the long side here. Alongside here. So you see them 2 column here. I come on the side here. Move that now. And I tell me one bulla, I like 1 bulla and piece of cheese. Show them the man. So this now picture down man. Now picture down. So yes, see it here. Proper thing. Proper sin thing. So alright, so when you see them 2 column here, so we have one little passage and the bathroom. So this side is up near the bathroom. So see 2 column there, so this me attend so the bathroom wall is going to come from the flooring. The bathroom wall now gonna be as deep as the foundation. So we're gonna just take it off of the flooring. Maybe dig it out maybe 1 foot or so, but it'll come off of the flooring. So Guys, this is it. Yeah, we dig out the foundation and be things. So if you never know, no. Coming on the body in my inbox ask me say this and that and that. If you see it from your seat, you know. So this is what going on. Maybe I try to do a live video. But the internet I give you trouble. So yeah. So this is it. Alright, puss bread. So how you feel? You must say every day you come and nothing and go on. No, me I said that.
Everything take time.
Everything take time and money.
And then take 1 day make it ready.
He will. Yeah, now when nasty girl Elsa pass through, man. And a fish. I look at two of them.
So some personal life, some cooking oil.
Guys, look here. The hole full of water. We have to go get dig out again. It's full of water, but it's full of dirt again too. So from nothing to something. Look where we are come from to here. So, and guys, may I tell us if you do want foundation and a boy, but just go for me, I will get a couple steel. If you do a foundation and a bed of rolls, it's not an easy road. Let me say who feel it knows. And guys, we use up all the steel that is on the premises. All the steel. When I have my book, I like to have my book. All the steel. So all the steels, we use up all the steels to do this structure 2-bedroom and bathroom. We use the steel. All the steel that was on the premises, we use it up. Now I'm gonna end the video shortly. So Michelle has purchased 10 length of steel. We use that as well. And how much black did come? 300? And 300 blocks. And the 5 bag of cement, we use that as well. With what St. Brian go buy a hardware, we go buy what? We go buy. Remember how much length of steel St. Brian go buy? No man. I almost what? And after, but I must you know. Brian! How much length of steel did you buy? What length of steel did you buy? Fine, with the 3/8 too? 25 length of steel, and we have 5 all one we can find on the road. So yes. So this is it. And 4 come from me, I not thought that pan here. And me donate 4. So yeah, and we have the blocks out there. So guys, we'd really appreciate if we could get some more steel, because you know after they run up the foundation block, give them 1 tree block height and stuff, because over here is a water land. So we want to give them 1 tree block height for the foundation, and then we're gonna want some more steel to piecing up the stuff for place them 1 year, them short 1 year and stuff like that. So I say this is the only short column that is there, because we never have enough steel to do it. And we did want to give them some L column. We did want to give them 8 L column, but due to the situation of the steels, and the steels are very expensive, it's $149,000 for a ton of steel. So yeah, we have to try work smart with the steel. So thank you all for those who supported, for those who give their order in time. Thank you each and every one. It's each one help one. We don't have any money, but we are doing this from the love of our art. And please guys, come with love and art and money in the pocket and support the team. Yeah man, and I don't know, so each one help one. And we are continuing to do good in our community of Milk River. Yes man. Yep. So this is it. Them are buy soda. Nobody not buy that. Brian, can I buy one juice, darling? So me able to come more again, my peeps. So yeah, share video, like up the video. Yes man, remember to go check out my page. Channel partner. Yes man. Alright. Yes I mean man, team day.